Today is shipping day. Logistics. Every company that deals with fabrication, metal products, shipping is a part of it. Once customers order our products on the website, we have to ship it to them in a nice, fast, safe order. So shipping is very important to any company. Logistics. Finding ways to transport your finished product once you're done. These are actually table legs. Table and desk legs. Well, these are desk legs actually here. Those are desks. This is actually a table. This is the David. It's pretty neat. These are planters. These here. These are fire pits. These are another design of a planter. These are some tabletops. And these here are table legs. This is the Williams. Nah, I'm sorry, the Walton. Take that back. Those other ones I just showed you, those blackened ones, those are the Williams, and these are the Walton. And it's another different style. I don't know what that style is called. But shipping is a part of it, fam. Once you fabricate it, once you make it, you have to ship it out. Shipping. So I think that is good that we would even think logistically on this year on starting our business, think of ways we can have logistics line out, especially if you're shipping something. It's going to be very important to get that part done, to get it from Arkansas to California, from Arkansas to New York, from Arkansas to New Mexico, from Arkansas to Atlanta. You know what I mean? So shipping is very, very important. So I would say this year, if you're going to start your business, consider a logistic business. Logistics, not going anywhere. Even if you're doing small transports. We had some people come up here today in a small box van, and they coming from Georgia, and they do trips. So even if you're getting a small van and you can be able to haul custom orders and ship it to different places, family, that's money. That's money. So think about logistics this year and use some of that welding money to invest in your financial freedom. Hold on.